You're welcome once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook not opening problem or Facebook not working. So if you're having a problem with your Facebook, then this is what you have to do. Just go to your phone, then you go to settings. So in your phone menu, tap on settings. After that, search for app management, then you tap on it. Then next is you have to tap on app settings. After that, just scroll, and when you scroll through, you are going to find Facebook. Then you tap on Facebook. So after tapping on it, what you have to do is to tap on data and Wi-Fi. You have to check whether the background data is on. After that, go to your permissions to allow everything over here. So after allowing every permissions, what you have to do next is to tap on storage and cache. So when you tap on it, you have to clear your storage and also your cache. So after clearing everything, just tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see this. When you find this or when you see this on your device, just tap on the restart to restart your device. When you can't also find restart or rebuild, then just off your phone and on it. So after turning it off and turning it on, you are going to access your Facebook easily. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. See you in my next video.